Howdy y'all, I'm Anthony and I'm here to show you the next must-have for all you pontoon boat lovers. This is the ultimate powered pontoon boat ladder from KEI. All you gotta do is sit down, push a button, and let it do the climbing for you. No more climbing all them bulky ladders on other boats. Climb up in here, buckle up for safety. So we're all about to save, don't want nobody to get hurt. Adjust it for bigger passengers. Grab your little remote here, and up you go. It'll take you safely and easily from the, say, dry land to the deck of the boat. And we'll get there in just a second. Set your little remote down. Spin it around. You unclip the belt so you can get out of it. And you're on the boat. And then say you want to go swimming, and you don't feel like just diving off the boat. So you just climb back out here on it. Buckle your seatbelt yet again. Spin it around and grab your remote if you need. And down you go. Get to the bottom. Unclip your little belt, and off in the water you go. Okay, now what's this stuff made out of? Well, it's made out of pretty sturdy aluminum. It'll hold the most cumbersome of things. And when you're done with it, you take your little top off. You don't throw it in the ground, of course. Take your seat off. Unpin your little seat mechanism. And then it stores underneath the boat. Here in just a second. And the seat stores under your existing benches. The top, you can order it with or without the top. Comes in a variety of colors to match your boat. And the top fits under the seat. For more order information, call 918-292-9440 to speak to the sales representative for more order information. That's good enough for right now. Cut that motherfucker.